you welcome back to the channel. So guys, today's video we are going to be cutting and stitching a v-neck pattern, you understand. So without wasting my time, let's get it done, you understand. So guys, this right here is a fabric, a different fabric, and its weight is 2.5, and the length is 8 inches. Same to this one, is 2, you understand. That's what we are going to use for the v-neck cutting and stitching, you understand. This right here is the same measurement, so we are going to be putting it on this like this. So let's cut the v-neck. So to cut the v-neck, guys, we need to what, measure the actual let's say like this whole, it is folded into what, 2, and this is 8.5, you understand. So let's say the back is 13, so the back 13, so the neck is going to be marked 2.5 right here, back 13, eh? The neck of the back 13 is gonna be mark 2.5, you understand. So let's mark 2.5 right here, 2.5, you understand. We have joined it, so this is where is it. So we are going to be what, marking another 2.5 right here, marking another 2.5 right here. So we are going to be add the actual length. That is what we are going to use for the v-neck. So we are going to add 3.5 inches. We are going to add 3.5 inches to make it the actual one that we are going to use for the v-neck. So right here to the down 2 is going to be half inches, you understand. The down 2 is going to be half inches right here, you understand. So we are going to mark a straight line from the top that we measured the 2.5 to the down part, you understand. So we are drawing it. So after that, it's gonna be like this. This is example, you understand. We are going to be cutting this way, you understand. And to cut this way, you have to get get the sleeve. You have to mark the sleeve, you understand. So we are going to do it all, you understand. So let's do it, let's cut it and do it. So this is how we cut it. This is actually how we cut it, you understand. I hope you are watching it carefully. So this is exactly how we cut the v-neck. After that, then I will show you how it has been cutted, you understand. So let's say like this is the sleeve. This is where we are cutting the sleeve, hole, yeah, the sleeve hole. This is how we are cutting the sleeve hole, you understand. So guys, if you open it like this, it's gonna be looking like this. It's gonna be looking like this, you understand. So if you turn the main front that we are going to be using it to do the v-neck, this is how it's going to be looking. So guys, this is how it's going to be looking. We are gonna stitch this here because that has all removed, the thread has been removed. So this is how the let's see the material is gonna look, you understand, after cutting it. So this right here, I told you we are going to put it on it both on the where we have marked the chalk is the one that is going to go inside, and the outside is right here. So we are going to put it on where we have marked the chalk, the stiff one where we have marked the chalk, so that we come and show you the next one. Let's go get iron. So guys, after ironing it, this is how it's gonna be looking. This is how the both two is gonna looking, you understand. So we have folded into to 2, you understand. We have folded it into 2. So what we are gonna do is to put one here, you understand, put one here, and to put the other one too right here. So let's stitch it for you to see how we are going to be doing it. Let's get it done. So without wasting my time, let's get this one also done. So let's get it done. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Please, if I'm stitching, watch it carefully so that you know how to stitch yours beautiful to, you understand. So let's get it done. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tabbat yada wa tab. Ma aghna anhu maluhu wa ma kasaba. سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته حمالة الحطب. So guys, we have stitched the first one. وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد. So guys, we have stitched the first one. The thread has been removed, so we are what, inserting it inside. Understand? We are setting it inside. Let's insert it inside. So let's get it done. So we are moving straight to this part, you understand? So guys, let's stitch this part too. So we are going to, let's stitch from the down to the top, so that it's gonna be easy for us, you understand? Let's turn it so that we stitch from the what, the down to the top, not the from the thread is making some use, but we are gonna stitch. We shouldn't worry. We are gonna stitch it whether it likes it or not. We are gonna stitch it whether it likes it or not. So guys, let's get it done. Let's get it done. I hope you are watching it carefully so that you know exactly how to stitch it. Very beautiful, you understand? So we have stitched this part too, guys. We have stitched this part too. We have stitched this part too, guys. So what we are going to do is to what, get what we are going to do now is to what, mark here, you understand? Let me show you where I'm going to mark. I'm gonna mark it with the scissors, you understand? Where I am marking, you understand, is where I am going to be marking it with the what, the scissors. So let's get it done right now. So we are just gonna take the fabric like this, and to get that thing like this. Hope you are watching it. If you are watch it carefully, so that you will be able to know what's what. You will be able to know how to do yours too. Beautiful, you understand? So let's get it done. So guys, we have marked it. So we are gonna fold this one into it like this, and we are gonna fold this one too into it like this, and it's gonna be looking exactly like this. It's gonna be looking exactly like this. So guys, it's going to be looking like this, you understand? So if it's going to be look like this, we just have to what, turn it like this ways, and to get here, you understand? Get here, and you know this part here, we are gonna stitch it. Let's see if it has make it good. Oh yeah, it has make it good. So we are gonna stitch that part. We are gonna stitch that part we have what shown below. We are gonna be stitching here. We are gonna be stitching that part, so that what, we move to the next part. Let's stitch it. We are stitching it to the very end, you understand? We are stitching it to the very end. We are stitching it to the very end. So guys, this is how to stitch it from the back to, that is how we stitch it from the what, the back to. So let's turn it. So guys, this is how it's looking right now. So what we are gonna do is to stitch from the top part, from this side to this part and onto the top, right? So let's get it done right now. So guys, let's get it done right now, so we get to finish the what, the v-neck stitching. So let's get it done. The thread is doing some way, but we are gonna do it. The thread is making it look some way smooth. So guys, we are gonna stitch it. Let's do it. We can do it. Let's stitch it. Let's stitch it. So guys, let's stitch it. So guys, we are moving to the top right now. We are moving straight to the top right now. So get to the finish, you understand? So guys, this is the finish line. Subhanallah, it's looking beautiful, right? It's looking stunning. So guys, this is exactly how we stitch a v-neck pattern, you understand? This is exactly how to stitch a v-neck pattern, you understand? A v-neck pattern. So guys, if you turn it the back ways, this is how the back is looking. We are going to be cut this one like this. We are going to cut it from it to make it shorter, or like that, something like that. So cut the excess thread. So we turn it to the main part. So if you iron it, we show you the result. And then this is how it's looking. This is exactly how it's looking. Isn't it beautiful? So subscribe for the best news stars. Subscribe Maxstar news on all platforms, and stay tuned for what more videos, more tutorial videos. Bless you. God bless you.